Όταν έβρεχε μέχρι χθες, όταν στη Βόρεια Ελλάδα βρέχει ακόμα, εγώ σε καμία περίπτωση δεν θα βάλω σε διαθεσιμότητα όλα τα ελικόπτερα, τα οποία κοστίζουν κάθε μέρα το καθένα κάποιες δεκάδες χιλιάδες ευρώ.
I was alone, falling free, trying my best not to forget what happened to us, what happened to me, what happened as I let it slip. I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it.
Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
I was alone, staring over the ledge, trying my best not to forget all manner of joy, all manner of glee, and our one heroic pledge. How it mattered to us, how it mattered to me, and the consequences. I was confused by the birds and the bees, forgetting if I meant it.
Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Rivers of fire swept across the mountains north of Athens, propelled by gale-force winds. Several homes were consumed as flames raged out of control. This is another ecological disaster for a country whose landscape was devastated by wildfires just 2 summers ago.
A state of emergency has been declared in the province of Attica, which surrounds Athens.
Baby, did you forget to take your meds? 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 Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Εγώ σε καμία περίπτωση δεν θα βάλω σε διαθεσιμότητα όλα τα ελικόπτερα, τα οποία κοστίζουν κάθε μέρα το καθένα κάποιες δεκάδες χιλιάδες ευρώ.